So this is where you are today, and this is where you have to land up if you want to clear UPSC CSE. Every UPSC beginner, when they start making notes, their notes look like this only. बहुत bulky, very lengthy, very unstructured. While someone who has already given 2-3 attempts, their notes look like this. Quite cleaner, relevant, crisp and ready to use. So you also must be wondering how they develop this technique, how do they make notes, and why so much difference? Because when you're new to every fact, when you're new to every figure, every story, it seems very important to you, and hence you end up you writing in your notes. But as the time progresses, जैसे जैसे आपकी practice बढ़ती है, you get a better understanding of this exam pattern. You know what the syllabus demands. आप PYQ करते हो, आपको समझ आता है what topic is relevant. तो जो आपने notes बनाए हैं वो कितने relevant हैं, and with time you realize that you need to concise them. And based on that, you start to include only the relevant information in your notes, which significantly reduces the length of your notes. Now you must be thinking that will you also take 2-3 attempts before you make such notes? No. जो काम आप पहले attempt में ही सीख सकते हो, why to wait for 2-3 attempts? We can reduce the time which is needed to make such notes, provided you get the right guidance, you get to learn from those who have already passed this stage. So to help you improve your note making skills, we are hosting a note making workshop with All India Rank 13 Ananya Sharma on 14th of June at 12 noon. So Ananya Sharma, she secured All India Rank 13 in UPSC CSE 2025. This workshop is going to be in offline and online mode. And in this workshop, she will show her notes and she will tell you how you are going to make notes if you're given a paragraph, if you're given some of the content, how you're going to write and how you're going to make notes out of it. She will help you to understand the process of note making. So register for this workshop and meet and directly interact with All India Rank 13 Ananya Sharma. Because then only you will realize how they make notes, what mistakes she committed, because she secured All India Rank 13 in her third attempt. तो जो mistakes उन्होंने करी, you don't be doing it, you shouldn't be doing it. And note making is a very very relevant thing because वो आपको revision में भी बहुत help करता है mains में, even in prelims. So do attend this workshop. In offline, you can come to the institute, and if you want to join online, you can do that as well.